To example, we have the word math in domain, and for the range, we have number 1, 2, and 3. So this will be the example. In the domain, we have MATH, and for the range, we have 1, 2, 3. So M correspond in 1, then A, T correspond in 2, then H correspond to 3. So this relation is represented by mapping diagram. So we match each item in the domain with the element in the range. So in the diagram, it shows that the first element, so it must be the domain. So we have the A and T paired twice with 2. This relation is known as many to 1. So we have 2 element in the domain that is paired only 1 in the second element. So the relation in this example is many to 1 correspond. So this will be the third example. Have the domain gadget, and the range is the tablet, laptop, iPad, and mobile phone. So I use mapping diagram. So we have the domain is the first element which is paired in the second element or the range with a different range. So we have the gadget. So gadget is also tablet. Gadget is also the laptop. Gadget can be iPad. Gadget can be mobile phone. So in this diagram, it shows that 1 to many correspondent because we have only one element in the first set that can be paired in more than one element in the second set. 3 kinds of correspondent. So first we have the 1-to-1 correspondent. Second one is the many to 1 correspondent, and also we have the third one, 1 to many correspondent. First, 1-to-1 correspondent is all about only one in the first element can be paired exactly 1 in the second element. Then number 2, we have many to 1 correspondent. More than one element will be paired in only one element in the second set. Next, the third is the 1 to many. So we have only one element in the first set that can be paired in more than one element in the second set. Another example of 1-to-1 correspondent is husband and wife. So only one husband, only one wife. Then another example of many to 1 correspondent is children and our parent. Then the other example of 1 to many correspondent is the parent to now children. We're going to discuss how to find the range or the domain. So first we have to find the range. Given we have the value of the domain. So let us have this example. Find the value of the range. Given the 5 ordered pair that satisfies the given equation. So we have the equation y is equal to 2x minus 1. 2x minus 1. So the domain, we have the value of x, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Again, we're going to find here is the range. So it means we have the given value of the domain. So, to find the range, you're going to substitute the value of x in the given equation to find the value of the range. So, we have this equation y minus 2x minus 1. So, we have the domain, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, and 3. So, first, we're going to find the value is the range. So, this will be the given equation. Y is equal to 2x minus 1. Again, to find the range, it is given the value of the domain. So, we're going to find the range, and then we're going to, first step, substitute the value of the domain or x in the given example or equation. So again, the equation is y is equal to 2x minus 1. So we're going to substitute the x. So copy y equals to, first, what is the domain in the first set? So, x is equal to negative 1. Let us see kung tatama ang ating sagot na, let's see if the range is negative 3. So, let us substitute. Y is equal to 2x. What is x? Again, we have x is negative 1. Negative 1, copy minus 1. So, y equals, what is 2 times negative 1? We have negative 2. Very good. Minus 1. Negative 2 minus 1. Again, keep, change. So, this will be keep, negative. It become positive. It become negative. Okay? So, negative 2 plus negative 1 is negative 3. Or we have adding a same sign, we have negative 3. So this will be the value of the range if our domain is negative 1. So we have the correct answer, negative 3. So let us find out, how about if our domain is equal to 0? Same equation, y is equal to 2x minus 1. So, y equals 2 times the value of our domain, 0 minus 1. Y is equal to 0 minus 1. Then, y is equal to negative 1. So, this will be the value of the range if the domain is 0. How about if it is 1? So let us have 1. The domain is equal to 1. So same equation, y is equal to 2x minus 1. Then y is equal to what is x? 1 minus 1. So, y is equal to 2 times 1, 2 minus 1. Then, y is equal to 2 minus 1. And like sign, we're going to subtract. So 2 minus 1, this will be 1. Okay? Now, how about if the domain is 2 and domain is equal to 3? So first we have the domain is 2. Same equation, 2 times 2 minus 1. Just substitution, y is equal to 2 times 2, 4 minus 1. Y is equal to 4 minus 1, it is 3. Again, same equation, x is equal to 2. What is the value of x? 3 minus 1. Then y is equal to 6 minus 1. Then y is equal to 5. So let us have a map diagram or the table of our domain and range. And to find the value of the domain, given we have the value of the range, it is the same thing, the same step on how to find the domain. So, finding the domain, finding the range is same step that we're going to use. You're going to substitute the value of the domain or the range in the given equation. Then you can find the value of the domain or range.